I'm Gunjan, and today's video is for all those students who want to apply for CPC certification exam but have little bit of doubt regarding the registration process. So through this video, let's see the stepwise process of the exam booking.
So let's see here how do we book for CPC online examination. So I'll go to AAPC website, and on this website I'll go to certification. Okay, so in certification, this is the first CPC certification exam which I'll book for, and here if you scroll down, you will see that these are the online exam packages which you can take, right? So you can choose any package. If you want to choose $299 package, you will click on this and it will automatically take the membership, $175 membership. So this is the total examination cost for my online CPC exam booking. Now there are few things which you need to be clear before you book for this CPC exam. The first thing is that you should have a very reliable internet connection. Like there should not be any problem or any issue with your internet connection, because if there is some connectivity problem during the examination, then they will not take any responsibility and money will go waste. So make sure that your internet connection is quite strong. Then there should be a webcam which clearly shows your face, your arms, and your desk on which you are giving the exam. So everything should be visible. Your books should be there, ICT, CPT and HCPCS. So these three books should also be there. So they will check 15 minutes before starting the examination. They will check all these things, and if everything is okay and good to go, they will start. So once you book for the examination, they will give you a mail in which they will send you few options for the schedule. So you can schedule the examination on whatever date is comfortable with you, and the exam will be conducted in two parts. So the first part of the examination will be on the scheduled date, and the second part you can schedule any day, any week, whenever you are comfortable. So second part of the examination can be given anytime after the first part. So this is about the online examination. Okay, so if I go to add to cart, this is my total price, $474. So once you go to checkout, you can pay here by credit card or debit card. So that's how you can book online for CPC online examination, right? And this online examination is only because of COVID-19 situation, and all the centers are closed. That's why they are conducting exams online. Otherwise, from so many years, AAPC is conducting these exams, in the centers. Like students, they go to the center, which is near to their location, and they give the exam. So I also want to show here that how do you book for an exam for a center. So here in certification again, you will go to locate and schedule exam. And here you will select the country. So if you're in US, you will go to US, or now if you're in India, you will go to search. Right. So in search, there are a lot of centers and dates. So I can see the dates for July and August. So if I want to book the exam for Navi Mumbai, 23rd of August, Navi Mumbai. So I'll go to view details. And here I can see the address where I'll go for the examination, the time when I have to be there, and the seats. So there are two steps to register for the center exam. So you'll go to add and renew membership first. So this is the 175 individual membership, and the second is exam, coding exam. So CPC I'm selecting here. So this in total is $705. So this is the CPC examination cost which you have to pay in general, right? So this is the in-person exam which is held in the center, and when you will go to the center, you will be given the books, because as we know, this is an open book examination. So you will be getting the books in the examination center, ICT, CPT and HCPC. So they'll be giving you the books, and they'll take it back once the exam is over, right? So that's how you book for the examination online on AAPC's website, whether you want to give this exam online right now or in future if you want to give it in a center. right? That's how you book for it. So also I want to inform you guys that at ODC we provide some sponsorship packages where you can take a combined package of training and exam booking at a very discounted price. So if you take our sponsorship package, we will train you and book your CPC exam once you're ready and confident to clear it in one go.
Thank you everyone for watching our video, and if any one of you has any inquiry or doubt regarding the same, please give us a call on the number which is given in the description. Thank you so much and have a great day.